As a mobile hairdresser, I am fully qualified. I am an educator for a global brand, which means I have my finger on the pulse of the latest trends and product innovation. And I have all those skills at my fingertips that I can bring to you in your home. I am a master colour expert, which makes me a colour specialist. So a typical appointment would involve an in-depth consultation where I discover your hair problems and I come to you with the solution. And because you're in the comfort of your own home, everything is convenient and it doesn't matter whether you're distracted with phone calls or work, etc. I love working mobile, being a travelling stylist, because it gives me the ability to do things my way. And I like working one-to-one with clients. Creating that personalised relationship with your mobile hairdresser means that you have now outsourced the problem of your hair to me, which means I can then create a maintenance plan for your hair that suits your needs and your budget and your time frame, so you then don't have to worry about it.